A growing for mechanical keyboards reflects the appeal of tactile feedback, robust build quality, and thoughtful layouts among typists and gamers. Similarly, beginner guitarists are seeking amplifiers that deliver great tone, portability, and value without overwhelming them with complexity. This guide evaluates sound quality, features, build, portability, and value to help you find the best guitar amplifier for beginners. Perfect for practice at home or on the go. List number: Erok Mini Electric Guitar Amp, portable amplifier with clean drive dual channels, 3.5mm headphone aux input. The Erok Mini Electric Guitar Amp is a highly portable, budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, ideal for beginners looking to practice anywhere. It offers both clean and drive channels, allowing you to experiment with tones as you learn. A 3.5mm headphone jack and aux input make silent practice and backing tracks easy, so you can play without disturbing others. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or guitar bag, and its sturdy build ensures durability despite its small size. Users love its simplicity, intuitive controls, and surprisingly punchy sound for its size. If you're just starting out and want a lightweight, affordable amp that covers the basics and more, the Erok Mini is an excellent choice for beginners. List number: Fender Frontman 10G Guitar Amp, 10 watts with 2-year warranty, 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker. The Fender Frontman 10G is a classic beginner-friendly amp from a trusted brand, offering great tone and reliability. At 10 watts, it's powerful enough for home practice while remaining quiet enough for apartment living. The 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker delivers crisp, clean tones and gritty overdrive. Perfect for exploring a variety of musical styles. Its solid build and iconic Fender styling make it feel premium, and the simple control layout is ideal for beginners. It also includes a 1/8-inch headphone output for silent practice and an aux input to jam along with your favorite tracks. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Frontman 10G is a dependable investment that grows with your skills. If you're looking for classic Fender sound and quality at an affordable price, this amp is hard to beat. List number: Flatsons FBA10 Guitar Amp, 10-watt mini electric guitar amplifier with clean drive channel, 6H working, USB-C rechargeable. The Flatsons FBA10 is a great pick for beginners seeking portability and convenience without sacrificing sound quality. With 10 watts of power, it offers clean and drive channels to suit different genres. What really sets this amp apart is its USB-C rechargeable battery, which lasts up to 6 hours, allowing you to practice anywhere. No outlet required. Its compact size and lightweight build make it ideal for travel, and the durable construction stands up to regular use. Users enjoy its warm tone, simple controls, and quiet operation, making it perfect for practice at home or outdoors. If you're a beginner who values flexibility and wants an amp you can take anywhere, the Flatsons FBA10 is a smart and modern choice. List number: Joyo Mini Guitar Amplifier 5-watt electric guitar amp, small practice amp with Bluetooth, clean, and overdrive channels for beginners who want both modern features and affordability. The Joyo Mini Guitar Amplifier is an excellent option. It delivers 5 watts of power, which is plenty for bedroom practice, and includes both clean and overdrive channels. The added Bluetooth connectivity lets you play along with backing tracks directly from your phone, making practice sessions more engaging. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to move around, while its sturdy build and intuitive controls make it user-friendly for those just starting out. Users appreciate its surprisingly good tone for the size and price, as well as the ability to practice quietly with headphones. If you're a beginner looking for a small, feature-packed amp that's also budget-friendly, the Joyo Mini deserves your attention. List number 5. Joyo 15W Portable Guitar Amp Combo, 9 preamp models plus looper, drum machine, modulation. If you're looking for a feature-rich amp that's still accessible to beginners, the Joyo 15W Portable Guitar Amp Combo is a fantastic choice. Offering 15 watts of power, it has enough volume for practice and even small performances. With 9 preamp models, a built-in looper, drum machine, and modulation effects, It's perfect for experimenting with your sound and building creativity from day one. Despite its extensive features, the interface remains intuitive for beginners, and its compact portable design makes it easy to transport. Many users rave about its versatility and value, calling it an all-in-one practice solution. If you're a beginner, eager to explore different sounds and practice more creatively, the Joyo 15W delivers outstanding functionality and quality at a reasonable price.